In the previous videos, napag-usapan natin yung solving equations transformable to quadratic equations. But this time, this is more complicated because rational algebraic expressions will be involved. So, when we are talking about rational algebraic expression, hindi na lang nasa numerator yung variable, kundi may pagkakataon din na nasa baba or nasa denominator yung ilan sa mga variables na involved. So, para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ang aking sinasabi, let's consider this example. We have 1 over x squared minus 3 over x equals 7. So, in doing so, we have to consider the LCD of the fractions involved. So, in this case, the LCD of x squared and x is x squared. How did we get that? So, you have to consider x squared. Then, let's just factor x squared. So, x times x. So, this is the factored form. Yung x naman, so syempre that is just x. Consider all the factors. Okay. So, this is x and this is still x. So, multiplying x times x, that is x squared. So, after getting the LCD of the fractions, you have to multiply it to the whole equation. So, in this case, we will be multiplying this equation by x squared. Okay, so x squared times 1, that is x squared. Divided by x squared divided by x squared, that is 1. Okay, next, x squared times negative 3, that is negative 3x squared. Divided by x, that is negative 3. Then x squared divided by x, that is x. Since we are dividing and the variables are the same, we'll just subtract the exponents. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. So negative 3x equals x squared times 7, that is 7x squared. Okay. Next, we're gonna write it in standard form. So, transpose natin itong negative 7, itong positive x squared dito sa left side ng equation. So, that is, since sabi natin, standard form, una natin isusulat yung quadratic term at hindi itong 1. So, it's just okay. So, negative 7x squared followed by negative 3x followed by positive 1 equals 0. So, if you can notice, the quadratic term is negative. Okay? So, pwede nyo siyang gawing positive by multiplying the whole equation by negative 1. Or pwede din kahit hindi na. So, in the example in your module, you can notice that the equation used in solving the equation is 7x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals 0. So, the result will be the same kahit na ito yung gamitin ninyo or pwedeng positive 7. Kasi mas magandang tingnan if you're gonna start your equation by a positive term. So, to be consistent with your module, we may utilize a positive quadratic term para masundan ninyo later on yung pagsusolve ng kanyang roots gamit ang quadratic formula. So, let's multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 7x squared, that is 7x squared. Negative 1 times negative 3x, that is positive 3x. The negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1, equals 0. So, from this, okay, we came up with this equation na kung saan mas madali na ngayon yung pagsusolve ng kanyang roots gamit ang quadratic formula. So, let's now determine the values of A, B, and C. So, yung A natin, yung B, and C. Yung A natin dito ay 7. Yung B natin ay 3. At yung value ng C natin ay negative 1.